Here's how to create a private server on Roblox. This video will show you how to create a private server for any game on Roblox. So you need to go to the official website of Roblox, that is roblox.com, and log into your account. Now from the homepage, you need to go ahead and select any game where you want to open a private server. Now on the game's homepage, you will see a server option. You need to scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the option of private servers and my recent servers, two different sections. And remember that to create a private server, you need to have 100 Robux on your account. And you can visit the experience with connections and other people that you invite. Now to create a private server, tap and create private server option that is below the hide private servers. Then after, you need to follow the on-screen instructions like give your name to the server, and then your server will be purchased. You can tap and customize in order to customize your server, and scroll down and make sure that the friends allowed is enabled. And you can also add people by tapping add people, searching their username and clicking the add button. You can create a private server link by clicking generate and copying the link, and you can share the link so people can join your server. So that's how you create a private server on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.